We're going to go back to the phones right now, and we're going to talk to Jim. Jim, welcome to the Law Show.
Hi, thank you for taking my call.
You're welcome. What can I do for you, Jim?
Yeah, my question is, my mom passed away late last year, and they're settling her estate now.
My condolences.
My oldest sister is the executor of the estate.
Okay.
The estate basically consists of one asset, a vacation home.
Okay.
That she has. And my problem or question is, my sister got one appraisal of the property, which I think is really low. What she wants to do is she wants to take that appraised value, less the real estate commission, and offer it to one of the siblings. There's 7 altogether, to buy the house for that price. I've offered to pay more than what she's valuing the property to be because I think it's so low. But she says that she wants to hold this lottery anyway, put everybody's name in a hat, draw a name, and the property would be sent, sold for that amount. I object to the way she's doing it. I object to this lottery idea. And do I have any recourse here?
Absolutely. As the executor of the estate, she has a duty to obtain the highest and best value of any asset in the estate for the benefit of the heirs. And she's not doing that. She's not focusing on what is the potential income. She's focusing on who does she want to get that. Now, I've got 8 sisters, right? So I'm not saying anything bad about your sister. I know what it's like to be in a big family. And unfortunately, my father's passed on now, and we've gone through some of those same issues. But you have every right to challenge that procedure. And if you're offering more to purchase the vacation home, and if you're offering the most to purchase the vacation home, then the court is going to make her sell it to you 9 out of 10 times, and there's got to be a good reason for them to not do that. The thing that you have to do, which is unfortunate, is you have to retain counsel and go in and file an objection and make sure that the court hears your objection and finds out why you're objecting, and I'm sure that the court will agree with you, but you don't want to do that alone. You want to do that with a lawyer. Now, where is your vacation home? Just in general, what county?
Well, it's in Michigan. It's in Berrien County, Michigan.
Is it on the water?
Yes.
Those are some very valuable properties. As I told you, we have an office in Detroit, and we know the values of real estate up here. And did your mother die in Michigan, or did she die in Illinois?
She died in Michigan.
Okay, so it's a Michigan estate.
She's a resident of Michigan. That was her only home.
Okay, so listen, I have lawyers in Michigan. I have lawyers in Illinois. I've got lawyers in Florida. I've got lawyers all over the country, really, and we can help you with any of this that you want. But it depends upon how serious you are. They can't force you to sell your part of the home. You have a right to get in and object to make sure that you get the highest and best value. And if you happen to be the highest bidder for that home, then I think she's got to sell it to you, and I think the court is going to do that all day long, okay?
Okay.
Listen, if you need any advice, if you want to sit down and talk, my associate, Matt Kachik, is the man in Michigan who handles probate matters, and we can sit down and talk with you anytime you like, okay? You just got to call 855-LAW-SHOW.
Okay, the same number I called today for the show, right?
Yeah, I want you to call on Monday, and I want you to make an appointment to meet on the phone with Matt Kachik, and we can Skype you in so you can actually see what he looks like.
Okay, good.
Okay?
Because she wants to have this lottery the middle of April, so I've got to do something fairly quickly.
Yeah, we're very nimble. We can mobilize very fast. We can get something on file probably by the end of the week, assuming that you are comfortable with us and you want to retain us, okay?
Okay, terrific.
Hey, thanks for calling the Law Show.